Hello again from Together We Excel. Today I'm going to help you with the topic of creating a drop-down list to make your work easier. I have here a form where I need to fill data on these cells. For the moment they are blank. I need to find the corresponding names, customer segment or reporting months, but I didn't wanted to write it by myself. In another sheet here in Excel, on this data sheet, I have the corresponding customer segment, their customer name and the month. So I want to choose from this, from a list, and now I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, you should go here on all the tabs, go to the data tab. On the data tools here, you have this data validation. Click on it and you see immediately that a window appears. The first option here on this window is the settings one, and to create a list you should go here on the option allow, click on this drop down list, this is what we are going to create, and choose list. And here on the source, as for the first blank cell we want the customer name, I'm going where I have my data here on the data sheet, and I'm going to select all the customer name. So that is done and click OK. And when I go on this cell now, here I have a small drop down list, and you can see when I click on it you can choose the name that you want. I'm choosing one. You can go and change it, so really easy. We're going to do the same for the customer segment and reporting month. So we are going to the data validation here. I am on the data tab. Go data validation. On the window that appears, click here on any value and choose list. And at the source, go where you have your data. It doesn't matter where you have it, and just select it. So I want the customer segment and add this fourth one. And when you click on the cell, you can choose the customer segment. And the reporting month is the same thing. I'm doing it faster. Choose list, the source, select the months that you have. And okay, here when you have a bigger list, on the drop down, it will appear a scroll down. So if you want to go to the last month, just use it. I'm choosing August, and this is how it is done. Also, I want to show you not only how to create a drop-down list, but also how to delete it when you accidentally have done it or you want to delete a previous created one. So it depends what you want to delete. I will select the three of them. And I want to delete all of them, so I'm remaining to the data. Go here on data validation, click on it, and you see that a window only requires your allowance to proceed or not. Click OK on it, and on this other pop-up window, just click on clear all. Okay, and now when I click there, you won't find the drop-down list. So this is how it's done. Thank you for your attention. Together we will excel.